Narrator voiceover. Ever wonder how AI models learn about the world? It all starts with data, and the quality of that data makes all the difference. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking project. Institutional Books 1, a massive dataset of public domain books from Harvard Library's historic collections. Let's explore what makes this dataset so special, how it was built, and why it matters for the future of AI. Narrator. Imagine a library with over 1 million books, each one a window into the past. That's exactly what Harvard Library's Google Books project gave us. But turning these physical volumes into usable data wasn't easy. The team behind Institutional Books 1 faced a huge challenge: how to clean, organize, and make sense of 1,075,899 books, many of which were scanned with errors, duplicates, or unclear metadata. Narrator. First, they tackled OCR, the process of converting scanned images into digital text. But OCR isn't perfect. Misread letters, weird layouts, and missing pages. It's like trying to read a book with half the words missing. The team used advanced tools to fix these issues, creating a dataset with 242 billion tokens of text, enough to fill a library of 10,000 books. Narrator. But this isn't just about quantity. The dataset is a treasure trove of diversity. While English dominates, it also includes books in over 100 languages, from Latin to Japanese. Think of it as a global library, preserved for future AI models to learn from. Narrator. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The team didn't just digitize the books, they analyzed them. They used AI to classify topics, from philosophy to medicine, and even checked for harmful language in historical texts. Why? Because AI models can inherit biases from their training data. By flagging sensitive content, they're helping build more responsible AI. Narrator. Another key step. Deduplication. Imagine finding 10 copies of the same book in a library, each with slight differences. The team used smart algorithms to spot these near duplicates, ensuring the dataset's integrity. They also tackled metadata inconsistencies, like missing authors or publication dates, using machine learning to infer missing details from contextual clues. Narrator. This level of curation isn't just academic, it's foundational. By creating a clean, structured dataset, researchers can train models to understand historical context, language evolution, and cultural nuances. But here's a twist. The same principles of data quality apply to another critical challenge in digital libraries: copyright classification. Narrator. Ever wonder how libraries decide which books are freely available online and which are? Let's dive into a fascinating study, analyzing over 1 million digital books from the Hathaway Trust Archive. Researchers used advanced text analysis to categorize each book's copyright status, like public domain, Creative Commons licenses, or restricted access. Narrator. Here's how they did it. By examining metadata and text patterns from scanned books, they developed a system to automatically classify rights information. The results? A detailed breakdown showing 73% of books were public domain, while others carried various Creative Commons licenses. This matters because it reveals what's actually accessible to readers worldwide. Narrator. But here's the twist. Some categories had tiny percentages, like 0.03% for CC0, or 0.01% for CC by 4, 0. That tells us most digital collections still rely on older, less flexible licensing. Understanding these patterns helps libraries and researchers advocate for more open access. Narrator. By combining rigorous data curation with legal analysis, these projects are reshaping how we think about digital heritage. They're not just preserving books, they're building the scaffolding for AI to learn from the past responsibly, ethically, and with unprecedented depth. Narrator. So next time you browse a digital book, think about the invisible work behind it. Science is making those rules a little clearer every day, and that's good news for everyone who wants to learn from the past without repeating its mistakes.